To use ITC as your rater in Jenesis Classic, you're first going to want to set up the path, which is C:/uploads/ITC. Make sure that there is a folder created for that. And then you're going to enter your quote information into quote control. Once you have everything ready, you're going to go up to quote menu and click on ITC TurboRater. At that point, it's going to save all the information into the folder that you just created on your C drive. Once that file has been saved, it gives you a message that it has been exported and saved to your C:/uploads/ITC folder. Click OK, and then you're going to go to ITC, and you're going to go up to Quote and Import Quote. You're going to choose the file, which is your C:/uploads/ITC, and right here is my file. Just double click to open it and click OK, and it pulls in all the information that you put in quote control. At this point, you'll want to go through and answer any questions that may be required for the software. Policy, drivers, vehicles, company questions, and then you're going to rate. Once you get that rate, you'll go right back over to Jenesis and you'll import those stored rates right here in your stored rates. We hope that you enjoyed this feature. Should you have any questions about the video you just watched, you can reach us at any of these methods listed here on the screen. Be sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And again, thank you for watching.